Oye, ¿qué opinas si después de trabajo vamos por unas hamburguesas y unas malteadas de chocolate? Conozco un lugar que tiene las mejores malteadas de la ciudad. Suena bien, pero ahorita en realidad no tengo mucha hambre. Vaya, qué suertudo. Yo tengo un hambre feroz. Creo que podría comer 5 hamburguesas. Ah, no bromees. Creo que si comerías tanto, estallarías. Sí, tienes razón.
You are white.
Uh-huh.
What are you?
I'm literally Mexican.
No, you're not.
According to some studies, the average erect penis is 33% longer than the average vagina. You big dog. Hydrate or die.
Satisfied.
Here we are. Cheers. And it's gone.
Jose, can you see?
Pues no muy bien, pero pues allá andamos.
Hey man, I just did a bunch of cool stuff.
Don't care.
Alright man, I get it, you're busy. I work really hard on these, but alright, I'll catch you later, bro. Take it easy.
Yeah, so basically that's been weighing on me all week. You know, it's been really hard. I've been trying to keep it together, to be honest. Appreciate you listening, though. What do you think? You're just like your mother. Greg here with the 5 tips of parenting. Remember, it all starts with love, nurture, and kindness. Who the hell let you out of your cage?
I don't think she likes the mustache.
I'm sad.
I'm not sad, I'm happy because you're here.
No.
Oh.
Creepy.
But I'm a tree.
Last night I caught a Pikachu. Used some money to evolve him to Raichu. Hey, look, I see a Meowth. Hang on, there's a bug in my mouth. Let's get out of here, man. I'm bouncing out of here. Quitting time. Let's get out of here. Audi 5000. All right. Whew. I'm gonna lay down. Sit down in my chair. Oh, actually, you know what? I'm gonna grab something to eat. Let's see what we got in here. Let's see what we got in here. What the? Wait a minute. What? No, 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 no! No! Yeah, sorry, excuse me. Is this the Center for Blind and Deaf People? What?